What book is this, Eli?
Papa knows.
Okay, when Papa snores.
Grandma said when Papa knows. And Papa says Grandma knows. Not this time because when they both know, I don't know who's louder. But when Papa knows, shoo, shoo, the nap on his battle, shocking right. No, them is bad. Rattles and shakes. Rattles and shakes. No, I really never. Between Grandma knows. Tree. Tree. The lamp on his bed saddle. The blinds on a little piece went together. But when Papa knows. Shoo. Shoo. The lamp on his. I don't know what this means.
That's it's a lamp that's rattling and shaking.
Rattling and shaking. Rattling, shaking, rattling. But when Grandma knows, shoo, the blinds on the window clink, clink together, clank, clank. But when Papa knows, shoo, the lamp on his bed shadowing. I don't know what the lamp.
This is Grandpa now. When Papa snores.
When Papa knows, you're covering the road. You're covering the road. But when Papa knows.
Sam, go close the bathroom door so Hannah doesn't get in. Keep going, Eli. Keep reading. When Papa snores, what happens?
When Papa knows. Shoo. The lamp on the bed. I don't know what the lamp was doing. Mama, I don't know what the lamp doing.
The lamp rattles and shakes, the drawers of his dresser open and close, and the mops in the closet dance the tango.
But when
Thank you, Samuel.
when Emma knows, to the lamp, the trees, so the leaves to the ground. But when
Eli's reading it. Go pick. Why don't you go pick out the next book that you'll read? Go pick out another one.
When cat knows shoes, I don't know what these called.
These are the manhole covers that bounce down the street. Clink, 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 clink,
I
clink.
don't know. I can't remember.
That's okay. You can go to the next page.
I don't know what this is.
When Grandma snores, the blinds on the window clink, clink together. The dishes in the drainers shake themselves dry. The limbs on the trees throw their leaves to the ground. And the shoes on the shoe rack
tumble down the shelf.
Yeah,
And that's the cat.
yeah, that's the cat.
And these are the shoes.
Sam, go get sister. Hannah Faith. Oh my goodness.